Hi everybody, this is Laura. I am here today to do a tutorial for you on our amazing magnetic eyelashes and Magnetude eyeliner. You want to let it dry a little between each coat. Just about 30 seconds on the first coat.
Mom, I can't open my juice box.
Oh, no problem, sweetie. There you go.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, we're going to do our second eye.
Mom, I ran over the neighbor's mailbox.
Oh, that's okay. I always have a spare.
Thanks.
Now let's apply one of our lashes. This is so easy. You just lay it down,
Laura,
pop it right on.
there's been an alien invasion.
Oh, well, they just need lashes. Give them these.
Of course.
Now let's put on our other lash. Again, this is just so easy. You just lay it down.